Hello, my lovely champs. Hope you all are doing great. Today we'll learn chapter number 1 of Maths Magic Book, that is the fish tale. Let's start. Deep under the sea, see the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. This is the special poem which is called haiku and very popular in Japan. Haiku is a three-line poem in which is made of 17 syllables. First line is made of 5 syllable, second line is made of 7 syllable, third line is made of 5 syllable. And this haiku is on the nature. You can count the syllable. In the first line, deep 1 syllable, under 2 syllable, B 1 syllable, C 1 syllable. Next line, C 1 syllable, B 1 syllable, lovely 2 syllable, colored 2 syllable, fish 1 syllable. Swimming 2 syllable, peacefully 3 syllable. Next haiku is the lake calm, smooth, still. A fish jump up and returns ripple, shakes the lake. The meaning of this poem is one lake is very calm, water is not moving that much. Then suddenly a fish jumps up, ऊपर fish jumps up. एक fish ऊपर jump करती है and then returns back into the water, which creates ripples, means wave, and the lake is shaken. Do you know any poem about fish? You must be knowing. In your play classes, you must have heard the poem मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी. When you see the fishes are having a particular shape. After seeing the shape, you must visualize some shape. Can you make fish using one square and triangle? I will just draw and look at that. For that, we have to draw one square. This is not very straight, but this way you can draw one fish using one square and triangle. Next is you can see many fish design around you, like on your clothes, in paintings, on mats, on bed sheet, on sofa cover, on curtain, on your book, on your dresses. You must have heard the name like Minakshi. Minakshi is a name of a girl in which meaning of mean is fish. And Meenakshi is a girl whose eyes looks like a fish. Can you draw one face having fishy eyes? We'll try to draw here. Like this. Fishes can have very different sizes. The smallest fish is around 1 centimeter long. Do you know the which is the largest fish? Yes, whale is the largest fish. The biggest whale is whale shark. The length of the whale shark is 18 meter. When 12 children of your size are standing one on the top of the other, then the total height will, on adding the complete height, it will be 18 meter. Do you know how whale is not a real fish? Why? Whale give birth to babies, but fish lay eggs. Like, and also one more difference is fish take water, take air from water, and fish have no nose, and they take air from water through gills. But the whale shark are have their noses and they take air. The whale shark fish looks big and they are dangerous, but small fishes are quite harmless. The weight of the whale shark is 1600 kg, around 1600 kg. The smallest fish length is 1 centimeter, and the whale shark length is 18 meter, means 1800 centimeter. So whale shark is how many times longer? 18, almost 1800 times. About how many kilograms do you weigh? Do you know what is your weight? I think average weight of your age is 30 kg. So 12 children like you put together will weigh about, one children weight 30 kg. So 12 children weight. First we calculate for 10 children. 30 kg one children, 10 for 10 kg 10 children it will be 300 kg, and for more 2 children means 30 into 2 60. On adding together it is 360 kg. The weight of 12 children is 360 kg, while the weight of the shark is 16,000 kg. About how much more does the whale shark weigh than 12 children like you put together? We'll do this in we'll do this exercise here. The weight of one one child is 30 kgs. Weight of 12 children are 30 into 12 equal to 360 kgs. Weight of one whale shark is 16,000 kgs. Difference in weight is equal to 16,000 minus 360 equal to 1,005 640 1,005 15,640 kg. 15,640 kilogram more the whale shark weight than the 12 children weight. The fishes are having different type of tails. The tails of whales and fish looks different. The tail of fish are flat like there along its body, but the tail of whale shark is curved like two legs. School of fish. It is not school of fish means the you may think that fishes the place where the fishes go and study. No, it's not like that. Schools of fishes means group or bunch of fishes. Fishes are very small being, so they feel safe in group. So they live in big groups, and those big groups are called schools. And by being in the big group, they feel safe from the bigger fishes. One more important thing fishes do to safeguard themselves from the bigger fishes are they swell up lots of water, and by swallowing lots of water their body becomes bigger, and by increasing their size they scare away the bigger fishes and be safe. This girl name is Jinsi. She is having different shapes, and she is using these shapes to make different type of fishes. Like that you can make different fishes. Like this is a lobster kind of pattern she had made. This is fish. You can make sea urchin by using this circle shape. Like that you can make different shapes. These are the different types of fishes or sea animals: sea urchin, lobster, red snapper, eel. octopus, clam, parrotfish, prawn, cuttlefish, jellyfish, squid, silver pomfret, crab. Have you seen these animals before? I hope some of you must have seen crab, prawn, parrotfish, clam, lobster, eel. Next topic is fishermen in their boats. Have you seen the sea before? You must have seen sea, or some of you may not have seen the sea, but in movies or in television you have seen the sea. If you haven't went to the sea, you must you are not knowing that sea in sea there is lots of big waves. The sea is having lots of big waves, and there is lots of tides going on. हमारे सी में काफी सारे वेव्स आते रहते हैं, और उनकी वो जो है एक के बाद एक कंटिन्यूअसली वेव्स का फॉर्मेशन होता रहता है, और ये वेव्स जो है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट हाइट में आते हैं, इसीलिए उसमें बोट चलाना या बोटिंग करना इज डिफिकल्ट। ये जो सी वेव्स हैं इसकी हाइट 4 मीटर्स, एवरेज हाइट 2 मीटर 4 मीटर के आसपास में ये सी वेव्स की होती है। अब ये हाइट वेव्स के अगेंस्ट में बोटिंग करना इज डिफिकल्ट। द फिशरमैन टेक boat and they start their day very early, even when the sun has not sun has not has risen, and the day is still dark. The fishermen start their selling. They put their net on their boat and they go uh, in the deep in the sea and catch lots of fishes. There are different type of boats. The simplest type is log boats. The log boats do not go very far if the wind is helpful. If the wind is in the direction of boat or helpful, they then they travel about 4 kilometer in 1 hour. If the wind is against their direction, then it will not possible to reach 4 kilometer in 1 hour through log boat. So if the wind is helpful, they can go in 4 kilometer in 1 hour. So the speed of the log boat is 4 kilometer per hour. Next question is, how long will they take to go distance of 10 kilometer? Since 4 kilometer it go in 1 hour, it will go 4 kilometer. So in 2 hours it will go 8 kilometer. In 1 hour it will go, so 2 more kilometers are left. In 1 hour it will go 4 kilometer. So in half hour it will go 2 kilometers. So total this time to travel 10 kilometer is 2.5 hours, which will also do in this paper. The speed of the log boat is 4 kilometers per hour. In 1 hour, the log boat covered 4 kilometer distance. In 2 hours, the logboat covered 8 kilometer distance. In 1 hour, the logboat covered 4 kilometer distance. So, in half an hour, the log boat covers 2 kilometers distance. So, total time taken to travel 10 kilometers is 2.5 hours. Guess how far you can go in 1 hour if you walk fast. My walking speed is not that much. I can walk in 1 hour 3 to 4 kilometers. Sea is very large. When the boat fishermen go inside the sea, this very long distance inside the sea, they see all around. They see just water and water. No trees, no buildings, nothing. No seashore. They see nothing. So how they will find where each where they have to go, how they have to return? So they follow sun. Sun always rise from the east and set in the west, and its movement is also like it follows certain pattern. So when we face the sun, our face is towards sun, our front side is east, back side is west, our right hand side is north, and our left hand side is south. Like that they get to know the direction and they find out the path. Next is water catch. See, the uh, the fisherman had caught a very big fish and they are very happy today. Out on the sea, fishermen look for a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. Then there they spread their nets. After reaching at their desired place, they hope they hope they will find good amount of fishes. They at that place they put their spread their nets. वो बोट में जाने के बाद जब वो सी के मिडिल में चले जाते हैं तो जहां उन्हें लगता है कि यहाँ पे हमें ज्यादा फिशेस मिलने की पॉसिबिलिटी है वहां पर वो अपने नेट को स्प्रेड कर देते हैं फिक्स कर देते हैं, उसके बाद वो मेनी आवर्स तक वेट करते हैं कि फिश उसमें आ जाके नेट में फंस जाए। और उसके बाद वो जब फिशेस नेट में आ जाती है, उसके बाद वो उसे नेट को समेट कर वो फिश को कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं। Like that, they are catching the fishes. There are different types of boat. First one I already told you, that was the log boat, and the speed of the log boat is not very good. It is just 4 km per hour. That too if the direction of the wave support or in the direction in which boat is going. If it is in the opposite direction, then the speed of the log boat is less than 4 km per hour. But nowadays there are many different and advanced type of boats. These boats are having motors, so they go very further into the sea. They go far out and they catch more fish, they catch bigger fishes. And these since these boats are having motors, so they travel very faster, and the speed of the motor boat is around 20 km per hour. The next question is, how far would the motor boat go in 3.5 hours? We'll do this. The speed of the motor boat is 20 kilometers per hour. In 1 hour, the motor boat will go 20 kilometers. In 3 hours, it will go 20 into 3 kilometers equal to 60 kilometers. In half hour, it will go 10 kilometers. So, in 3.5 hours, it will cover 70 kilometers. The answer is 70 kilometers the motorboat will go. How much time will they take to go 85 kilometers? So let's do this question also. Twenty kilometers motor boat cover 20 kilometers in 1 hour. So for 80 kilometers, it will take 80 divided by 20 equal to 4 hours. For rest 5 kilometers. 20 kilometers in 1 hour. So 10 kilometers in half hour. 5 kilometers in 1 by 4 hour equal to 15 minutes. So total time taken to travel 85 kilometers is 4 hours 15 minutes. There are images of various types of boat, like this is the first image, this motorboat. Second is long tail boat. This is the big machine boat. But let's see what happens next. Fishermen are now very worried. There are some big machine boats, also known as trawlers, in the business. They go far out and put their big nets deep in the sea. This way they collect a whole lot of fish, leaving very few near the seashore. They also stay out on the sea for many days. These big machine boats also catch the small baby fish, which have yet to grow up. Fishermen in the smaller boats also let the baby fish pass through their nets to go back into the sea. They choose a net size in such a way that only the grown up fish are caught. There is a big problem nowadays. There are very big machine boats are coming into this business. They go very far out and they catch lots of big fishes and also the small fishes. The small fishermen also having their net such that the smaller fishes will pass from the net and only they catch the bigger fishes. But these big machine boats are not following any principle and they are catching all kinds of fishes, big fishes and small fishes. And due to this, there is chances that there will be no fishes left in the sea in future. You you can write your report about the danger faced by the fishes in our river and sea. First, you will start from the topic, then you give the small information, what is the problem, and next you will write the detail about the problem faced by the fishes in the river, fishes in our river and sea, and what will happen due to this problem in future, and in ending you can give the solution to this problem and suggestions. Like that you can prepare your report. Next topic is which boat gets how much fish. Earlier there are different type of boats, and in this unit and those boats are having different speed. So in this unit we will study which type of boat is having what speed and how much they can catch fish in one trip. Here in this table it is mentioned log boat can catch 20 kg fish in one trip. Long tail boat catch 600 kg fish in one trip. Motor boat can catch 800 fish in one trip. Machine boat can catch 6,000 fish in one trip. The speed of the log boat is 4 km per hour. Speed of the long tail boat is 12 km per hour. Speed of the motor boat is 20 km per hour. Speed of the machine boat is 22 km per hour. Next topic is some big number. There are numbers are vary from 0 to infinity. Infinity, which we cannot count. And in between there are also very big numbers like lakh, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 100 lakh, crore. Like that there are big numbers. Do you know what is the meaning of lakh? Lakh is equal to 100,000. I will show here. This is 1. This is 1 or ones place. Next is 10 is 10 place. Next is 100, hundreds place. 1000, thousands place. 10,000. Then lakhs place. 10 lakh. This is crores place. Ones place. Tens place. Hundreds place. Thousands place. Ten thousands plus 1 lakhs plus 10 lakhs plus, and this is crores plus. So you will see in lakhs plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 is there in lakhs plus. In lakh you will get many information in lakh, like in our city of population, bricklin population, bird population, cows population. You have heard many things in lakh. Cost of the building in lakh. Write the number 1000. 1000 is having 30, right? Now write 100,000. 100,000 is having 50 and is also equal to 1 lakh. There is another information given. There are about 2 lakh boat in our country. Half of them are without a motor. Means 1 lakh is have without motor. What is the number of boat with motor? Around 2 lakh boats are having motor. 1 lakh is without motor. So 1 lakh is with motor. And next information is about 1/4 of the boats with motor are big machine boats. In 1 lakh, 1/4 means 25,000. 1/4 of 1 lakh is 25,000. So 25,000 are machine boats and 75,000 are motor boats. There are huge lot of peoples are life dependent on this fish. Around 100 lakh fish workers are there whose lives is depends on this fish. They catch fish, some clean fish, some sell fish, some make and repair nets and boats. Like that, many people and their life is dependent on the fish, either directly or indirectly. 100 lakh fish worker means 1 crore, around 1 crore people's life is dependent on the fish. Have you heard crore before? You must have heard crore in terms of the population of our country. Our country, India's population is 150 crore. Next topic is the fish market. Have you ever been to the fish market? I have gone many times. The fish market is very noisy place, and due to this, if at some place people are making lots of noise, then they are given the surname as do not make fish market here. The fish market is busy place, and today also the fish market is very busy. Why? Many boats have brought a good catch. Many boats brought good catch, and fishermen are shouting out their prices to the buyers. First fisherwomen are saying, come here, take sardine at 40 a kg. मिनी एक फिशर वुमेन है जो अपने कस्टमर्स को बुला रही है, आइए आइए, यहाँ पर सार्डिन आपको 40 रुपीज पर केजी मिलेगा। दूसरी फिशर वुमेन ग्रेसी ने बोला, नेवर सो चीप, इतना सस्ता कभी नहीं, गेट सॉल्ट फिश फॉर 60 अ केजी। बोल रही है सॉल्ट फिश आपको 60 रुपीज में 1 केजी मिलेगा। फ्लोरम्मा सेल्स प्रॉन फॉर 150 अ केजी। फ्लोरम्मा भी 150 केजी में 1 केजी 150 रुपीज में 1 केजी प्रॉन सेल कर रही है। करूथम्मा स्क्विड 1 केजी स्क्विड 50 रुपीज में सेल कर रही है। लुक फजीला, फजीला कैन हार्डली कैरी दिस फिश। फजीला के पास इतनी बड़ी फिश है कि उसको वो मुश्किल से कैरी कर रही है। दिस इज अ बिग किंग फिश, बहुत बड़ी किंग फिश है। द फिश वे 8 केजी, ये फिश जो है 8 केजी का है और वो उसे 1200 रुपीज में सेल कर रही है। Next is the practice time. At what price per kg did Fazila sell the kingfish? फजीला किस प्राइस पर सेल कर रही है किंगफिश को पर केजी? तो फजीला के पास किंगफिश है, इसको हम लोग करते हैं नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज। फजीला is having kingfish of 8 kgs worth 1200 rupees. For 1 kg king fish, 1 kg kingfish e- equal to 1200 divided by 8 is equal to 150 rupees per kg. By dividing you can do this, or you can do in this way. 8 kgs kingfish equal to 1200 rupees. For 4 kg it will be just half of 6 kg. 12 kg means 600 rupees, and for 2 kg kingfish, half of 600 means 300 rupees, and for 1 kg kingfish, it is half of 300 means 150 rupees. You will get the same answer. Next is Floramma has sold 10 kg prawn today. How much money did she get for that? 1 kg prawn price is 150 rupees. So for 10 kg, 150 into 10 equal to 1500 rupees Floramma get. Gracie sold 6 kg swordfish. Swordfish price is 60 and she sold 6 kg. 60 into 6 equal to 360 kg, and Minnie has earned the same amount as Gracie, means 360, and Minnie is selling sardine at 40 kg and she earned 360. So how many kilograms she had to sell? She had to sell 360 divided by 40 means 9 kgs she has to sell to make 360 rupees. So she sold 9 kg sardines. Bashir has 100. He spent 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawn. Bashir is having Bashir is having 100 rupees. He spent 1/4 means 25 rupees on squid and 3/4 75 and 75 rupees on prawn. So squid price is 50 rupees and he is spending 25 rupees. So he will get half kg squid and he spent 75 rupees on prawn. So he will get half kg prawn and half kg squid. Here is one tongue twister. Repeat it fast. Tongue twister is a few line sentence in which the word starts with the same alphabets and it is very difficult to say. I will try. Seashells on the seashore. Sea is sure that the seashells will be there no more. Next topic is Women's Minker Bank. The meeting of the Minker Bank has just begun. Fazila is the president. 20 fisherwomen have made their own bank. Each saves 25 every month and puts it in the bank. 20 women are the member of the bank and they collect say 25 every month and put it in the bank. So 25 into 20 means 500 rupees the bank is saving every month. How much does the group collect each month? Each month the group collect 500 rupees. How much money will be collected in 10 years? This will do here. 20 women are collect saving women are saving 25 rupees each means total money saved in 1 month equal to 25 into 20 equal to rupees 500. In 1 month saved 500 rupees. In 12 month collected 12 into 500. 12 months or 1 year collected this much means 6 rupees 6,000 gem. So in 10 years in 10 years they will collect 10 into 6,000 equal to rupees 60,000. Next practice sign. Gracie needs money to buy a net. Jhansi and her sister wants to buy a log boat. So they take a loan from their bank. They will return it with interest. Gracie took a loan of rupees 4,000 to buy a net. She paid back 345 every month for 1 year. How much money did she pay back to the bank? Will do this. Will do in the next page. Gracie took loan for buying the net. For buying net equal to rupees 4,000. Every month she pay rupees 345 up to 1 year. In first month she paid rupees 345. In 12 months she paid equal to 345 into 12, which will be calculated like this: 345 into 10 plus 345 into 2 equal to 3450 plus 690 equal to 4140 rupees. She paid rupees 4,140 rupees. She paid against the loan of 4,000 rupees, means amount of interest paid by Gracie is equal to 4140 minus 4,000 equal to rupees 140. So in the form of interest, she paid 140 rupees more in 1 year. Next question is, Jhansi and her sister took a loan of 21,000 to buy a log boat. They paid back a total of 23,520 in 1 year. How much did they pay back every month? This will also do here. Jhansi and her sister paid rupees 23,520 in 1 year. So in 1 month they paid equal to 23520 divided by 12. equal to 1 9 6 0, sorry, 1960, 1960 rupees they paid in 1 month. Every month they paid rupees 1960. You will calculate in other way, like in 12 months they paid they paid 23520 rupees. In 6 months they paid just half of this, 11760. In 2 months they paid, I will make one third of 6 is 2, so I will calculate 11760 by 3, which is this much they had paid in 2 months. So in 1 month they paid one half of this, one they paid 3920 by 2 rupees 10. You will get the same answer. Next is, they took the loan for the log boat and they started going for catching the fish. Earlier, women did not go on the boat to fish, but now Jhansi and some others are going on the boats during the day. Things are changing now and their banks help them. They have also got a special bus to take their basket full of fish. Or now women are also catching the fish, and some special bus is also helping them to take their basket to the market. Why don't we start a new fish drying factory? The next topic is, now they think about opening a fish drying factory. The women of in which they will dry the fish and they sell the dried fish. The prices of the dried fish are, they will get more price for the dried fish. So they wanted to build one factory in which they will dry their fishes. The women of Minker Bank also want to start a factory to dry fish. The panchayat has given them some land for that. Over the years, they have saved 74,000. They find out how much they will need for the factory. Fazila write the things they need to buy to begin. See the table for the cost of each item and the number of items they want to buy. Find the total cost. They need these things to buy. These 5 things they need to buy. Borewell for fresh water. Price is 3000 and the number of items required 1, means cost required for borewell for fresh water is 3000, is equal to rupees 3000. Next is bamboo rack for drying the fish. For that they require the cost. They require 2000 bamboo rack and 20 rupees is the price for one item. 2000 into 2, 4000 into 10, 40,000. So for bamboo rack they require 40,000. Next is cement tank. For cement tank they require 1000 rupees price for one cement tank and they require 4. So total cost involved 4000. Next is tray and knife. Next topic is tray and knife. For one piece they require 300 and they need 20 pieces. So 6000 they require for that. Last item is 70. They require bucket. One bucket price is 75 and they require 20. So 1500 they require for bucket. Rupees 1500. So total cost is 3000, 40,000, 43,000, 4,000, 47,000, 6,000, 53,000 and this 1,000, 54,500. They need rupees 54,500 for this. They require 54,500 rupees to build this factory. Now, when fresh fish is dried, becomes 1/3 its weight. When fresh fish, when one will dry fresh fish, its weight become 1/3. In 1 month, they plan to dry 6,000 kg of fresh fish. How much dried fish will they get in a month? They will get 6,000 divided by 3 means 2000 kg they will get the dried fish. Floodamma. Let's calculate for 6 kg of fresh fish. They buy fresh fish at 15 per kg and they sell dried fish at 70 per kg. They dry 6 kg fresh fish to get 3 kg dried fish. For 6 kg fresh fish, they have to pay 6 into 15, means 6 into 15 equal to 90 rupees. Next, they sell 2 kg dried fish. Price of 1 kg dried fish is 70 rupees. So 2 into 70 means 140 rupees they will get for 2 kg dried fish. So if they dry 6 kg fresh fish, they will earn 140 minus 90. The cost of 6 fresh fish and cost of and the selling price of 2 kg dried fish. 140 minus 90 equal to 50 rupees. But if we dry 6000 kg, we can earn. For 6 kg, they earn 50 rupees. For 6 kg, they earn 50 rupees. So, for 6000 kg, they will earn 50 into 1000 kg in 1 month, means 50,000 they will get in 1 month. They are all very happy with this plan. The group can make profit and each woman can get a salary for the work she does. ये प्लान को देख के सभी बहुत खुश हो गए और सभी को वुमेन को अब सैलरी मिलेगा उनके काम के लिए. Jhansi, I found that the 6000 kg fish we would need 1500 kg salt every month. Its price is 2 per kg. लेकिन उन्होंने तो कैलकुलेट नहीं किया था कि उसको ड्राई करने के लिए उन्हें सॉल्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. तो उन्हें 2 kg सॉल्ट 1500 kg सॉल्ट लगेगा और 1 kg सॉल्ट का प्राइस है 2 रुपीज, मीन्स टोटल सॉल्ट का कॉस्ट है 3000 रुपीज. एंड अदर थिंग दे विल incur cost, packaging and bus charges, that is 3000. So total cost required in drying and packing and bus charges is 3000 plus 3000 means 4000 rupees. So total profit is 50,000 minus this 6,000. So their net profit is 44,000. Like that it's also very good amount. So they are very happy. I hope you must have understood this chapter very clearly. If having any doubt, please write in the comment. I will surely provide solution, and if you require, I will upload all the solutions of the problems. And I hope you must have enjoyed this chapter. If you like this chapter, if you understood clearly, then please like this video and subscribe my channel so that more chapters you will get to know. Thank you.